2 years ago and 3 months, when Padma Shri Warrior came to Cisco, she said, "What's the first thing you want to do?" And I said, "Padma, we're behind on cloud. I think this is going to be a major market transition. It should play naturally into Cisco's sweet spot because it looks like the network is there. We were drawing clouds 2 decades ago. Figure out the strategy, get together smart engineers, bring this home for us." Fast forward 2 years. We are the leading thought in cloud in many of our customer accounts, especially service provider and enterprise. And what will surprise you, even in the commercial marketplace, where half of our data center products are now going. So you're seeing commercial skip a generation as these products get easier to use and integrated tightly together. Now, talking a little bit, Rob, taking it the next step, how do we take it, how do we bring our partners with us, and how do we do this? It took us 2 years to do it at tremendous speed, and we were actually command and control on this one as opposed to collaboration.
Look at the 2,000 partners that are here, the majority, and I'll not say all, but the majority of those partners have a business model that's based on selling Cisco networking equipment with services and solving customers' problems. Clearly, when we talk about cloud, that's a different business model where the customer will choose to consume some of that technology as a service on a utility or pay-per-usage basis. That's a big change. So the first and most important thing is we've looked at the partner segmentation of our channel and said, first of all, if your balance sheet and business model wasn't structured to hold fixed assets, that shouldn't be what you do. Putting 8 servers in a room and calling that a cloud is not a cloud. A cloud is a very large scale, extensible and elastic infrastructure that will scale to a very large level with massive billing and individual billing capabilities. So what we announced today was that for the majority of the people that are here, they'll probably choose their place in this evolution to cloud. First thing, John, the equipment market's not going to move to cloud overnight, but some of our customers will choose to consume some of their't as a service, and some of it they'll purchase as a capital outlay, the same way they do today. We believe that the majority of the people here will want to be cloud builders. They'll want to take our data center and collaboration architecture. They'll want to work with customers, increase their expertise to management and orchestration, and help our customers build private clouds. That's probably the largest addressable market in the next 2 years. And that's a key area of focus for many of our customers with collaboration and data center practices. The second area of focus is for those partners that do build large infrastructures. Many of them are service providers, but some of them may also be managed service providers because their balance sheet was structured to hold assets and build these capabilities at scale. Those are cloud providers. We're going to help those providers build infrastructure that can deliver public or hybrid cloud services. And then many of our partners who chose to be in the services business but to not invest in necessarily all of the capital required or systems required, we think will want to resell cloud services from either providers or from some of the other parts of our value chain, and they will simply resell those services the same way today they resell Cisco branded service offers. So those 3 platforms were announced today. We think everybody that's attending this year's Partner Summit has a role to play in that value proposition, and I want to emphasize one thing: we will enable our partners to deliver the cloud. We won't compete with them in the delivery of those services. That's a unique position, and it's one which is creating a huge amount of momentum for our channel to partner with Cisco in this area.